Hey, here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! Did you know that wolf sightings have increased? Although wolf attacks are rare, it's good to be prepared and know how to fight a wolf if needed. If you encounter a wolf, act submissive by lowering your head, bowing slightly. Do not run. Back away slowly without making direct eye contact. Do not turn your back. If the wolf begins lunging and snarling, raise your arms above your head to look as big as possible and shout loudly and aggressively. Throw objects and use a stick or whatever you can grab. Stay calm. Get to other people or a fire. Wolves do not like fire. Or if you're alone, climb a tree. If the wolf attacks and knocks you to the ground, cover your head, throat and neck and lay in the fetal position. If you're able to stand, fight back. Aim for its face and nose. Like and leave your comments and check out my next survival video for more great tips. Stay safe!